Today we are going to proceed with chapter 1, Computer System Overview. Today we are going to discuss about Central Processing Unit, CPU. It is a physical device that control computer operation. It is also known as the brain of computer system, as it control all the operation of a computer on the basis of the instruction specified or given by a user. It looks like a small chip and is placed on the motherboard. The power of CPU lies in its ability to process data rapidly and flawlessly. The speed of CPU is measured in megahertz or gigahertz. The technology advancement in data processing is evident with the advent of newer and faster CPUs. The CPU is also called the processor or microprocessor. CPU consists of three basic sections: arithmetic and logic unit ALU, control unit CU, and registers. These three sections of the microprocessor work together to control the operation of the system. These are connected to other crucial components like input unit and output unit and secondary storage via special connecting wires called the system bus. Now come to the first section of CPU, arithmetic and logic unit. The ALU perform all the four arithmetical and some logical operation. When two numbers are required to add, these numbers are sent from memory to ALU, where addition take place and the result is put back into the memory. In the same way, other arithmetic operations are also performed. For logical operation also, the number to be compared and sent from memory to ALU, where the computation take place, and after comparison the result is returned to the memory. The result of logical operation is in form of true or false. Either it is true or false. When it satisfies the condition, it will get display true result, otherwise it display false result. ALU perform all the arithmetical and logical operation. The result of these operations are stored in the registered or in memory or sent to the output devices. Next is control unit. Control unit guide the interpretation, flow and manipulation of all the data and information. Thus, control unit sends signals until the required operation are done properly. ALU and memory properly by ALU and memory. Another important function of CU is the program execution, carrying out all the instruction stored in the program. The CU get program instructed from memory and execute them one after the other. After getting the instruction from memory, CU instruction is decoded and interpreted, which operation is to be performed and how it is to be performed. The CU perform following four steps in executing an instruction. First, the control unit get the instruction from memory. Then the control unit decide what the instruction means and direct the necessary data to be moved from the memory to the arithmetic logic unit. The arithmetic logic unit performs the actual operation on the data, and last the result of the operation is stored in memory or registered. The first two steps make what is called the instruction time, and the last two instruction make the execution time. The combination of these two is called machine cycle. Means the first two instruction explain are called the instruction time, means accepting instruction and data, and then perform the execution on that data, that is called execution time, and the combination of these four steps is called machine cycle. Registers are small unit of data holding place where CPU use to store data temporarily. Either these are input data or data that is processed, means data after processing, that is the output data. It hold some important processing information during the time of processing taken places. CPU may store some part of data or some memory address or some instruction in its registered, but these data and instructions whatever hold by the registered, it hold that temporarily. When a computer is shut down, whatever stored in registered, that is erased, or when we use a newer work, whatever instruction or information data hold by the registered of previous work, that is replaced by the newer work. Now come to the working of CPU. How a CPU perform its work. As shown here through a diagram, first CPU accept input from user in form of data and instruction, and the instruction or data accepted by the CPU through control unit. Now control unit direct what function is to be taken on the data accepted. If there is any logical or arithmetical work is to be performed on that data, that is sent to the ALU through memory unit, as whatever data and instruction accepted by the CPU, that is held by memory unit, because control unit not have any space to hold data and instruction. It only direct control the functioning of a computer. So whatever instruction or input given to the CPU, that is held by primary memory or main memory. Now after arithmetical or logical function is performed by ALU, that again sent to the control unit through memory, and after getting that, control unit display that through output devices, and also it is stored in storage unit. When we want to save our work, it is stored that in storage unit. Now, whenever we want to proceed with our previous work, that is already stored in storage unit, because main memory cannot store anything because it is volatile in nature. As we shut down our system, it can be erased. So when we proceed next time with our previous work, the work that is stored in storage unit is goes to the control unit, and it hold by the main memory, because the work, while we performing any work, we do any work on computer, whatever data instruction that is executable through primary memory only. Control unit cannot take data and instruction while working through storage unit. So first, that work is stored in main memory, that is delivered from storage unit to control unit, and then it is hold in main memory, and further processing is done there. After that, control unit process on that with the help of ALU, main memory, registers. Registers are used to hold some important instruction and output of processing. And after processing, it display the output through output unit, and when we want to save it, that is stored in storage unit. Now this is about the control unit, means central processing unit, CPU. That is the brain of our computer and the most important part of our computer. We will discuss more topics in next video. Thank you.